Okay, right. So class, we back to we continue. Okay, we continue with the second properties, and second properties is about first shifting. Okay, first shifting of Laplace transform. Right. Okay. Right. So, okay. Before this, I mentioned to you that the Laplace transform for the given function is equal to fs, right? So means that you akan tengok, or we will refer to our table, our FT. Okay, here is our FT, and when we get the answer, fs. Okay, so now for the first shifting, okay, our FT, okay, our FT is in term of EAT GT. Okay, what does it mean? Apa maksud dia ni? Okay, so before this, we have only one term. Maksudnya macam EAT, sin T, T square and so on. But for first shifting, you will have two term that involve with T. Okay, maksudnya macam ni, saya tulis clear balik. So maksudnya dia punya soalan will be in term of like this. Laplace transform for EAT GT. Maksudnya akan ada dua T kat sini. Okay. And the answer is equal to GS minus A. Okay, kalau tadi Laplace transform for FT is equal to Fs. But for first shifting case, or case of the first shifting, when you have two, okay, bila kita dapat soalan, kita tengok dulu T you berapa. So if you have two, and the most important thing here must be in term of EAT. Maksudnya kena ada EAT and ada one GT tu, tak kisahlah dia nak T square ke sin T ke apa, but as long as EAT is lies, or we will proceed with the first shifting properties. Okay, maksudnya keyword kat sini lah EAT. So EAT GT. Okay, so the answer must be in term of GS minus A. Okay, so this is the important part lah. Maksudnya first thing first, bila you dapat soalan, you check first what is your FT kat sini. Is kalau dia involve EAT and kena ada dua. Satu condition dia must be EAT. Okay, the second condition must be they have two T. Maksudnya ada dua T dah dalam satu function, EAT and GT. Alright, okay. So bila you dapat soalan macam tu bermaksud is we need to apply the first shifting properties. Okay, I will maybe you can see clearly more on example. Bila saya bagi example, kita tengok betul-betul lah. Alright, so determine, okay, the Laplace transform for E to T. Okay, the Laplace transform for E to T. So first thing first, check they have EAT tak kat sini. Kalau ya, if yes, means that we need to apply first shifting. But like I said, they have two condition. Maksudnya kena check dia ada EAT ataupun tidak. And then they have two T. Okay, we have two T right here. Okay, and we also have EAT. So maksudnya you kena apply first shifting. Okay, we need to apply first shifting. Okay, so our FT now here is E to T. Okay, kat sini our FT is E to TT. Okay, where is our EAT is E to T, and our GT here is T. Betul? Okay, ni EAT and ini adalah GT lah. Okay, you clarify. Okay, you to make it clear, you boleh tulis dulu supaya you nampak lah. Okay, so what is our first step? So determine what is your A. Where is our A come from? Macam mana dapatkan A ni? Okay, this A is come from the power of exponential just now. Okay, EAT, right? So what is your A? Our A here is 2. Right? Okay. So, like I said, or like I mentioned before, the answer for this one is GS minus A. So, what is your A? What is your A? So, GS minus 2. Okay. Step number 2. Alright, so I think maybe some of you will macam blur, but you just follow step by step first. Okay, kita follow. You follow dulu. So, step number 1, identify what is your A, and then write down what is your answer. Your final answer should be in terms of GS minus 2. Okay, now we proceed with step number 2. Okay, to get GS minus 2, we need to find out what is your GS first. Or if you refer to the previous example, GS here means similar lah, sama dengan FS. Sama dengan FS Okay, so to get GS, how to get FS just now? To get your FS, you akan do the Laplace transform, right? So, to get your GS, you need to find the Laplace transform for GT. So, what is your GT? What is your GT? Okay, what is your GT? GT is T. Okay, by refer to your table, T is a polynomial, and your Tn is T power of 1. So, that means it's 1 factorial over S n plus 1, right? So it's in 1 factorial over S square. And if you calculate using calculator, 1 factorial is equal to 1. Okay, so your GS is equal to 1 over S square. So now, the last step. Okay, back to your step number 1. Just now is GS minus 2. And step number 2 just now is GS. So can you see clearly? Can you okay, saya tulis balik So GS is 1 over S square. Inside this bracket is S, so the answer is S. How about if we change already? S now is become S minus 2. S become S minus 2. So automatically your answer here also must be S minus 2. Okay, tengok balik Here is S. So here is S. Now your answer is S minus 2. So that's mean you just replace S here. It will become S minus 2. Okay. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Ready? Alright, so let's I will show you another one example. Maybe you can more understand.